All right, this is a MIG 130. Front, back, side, side. Boom, MIG gun right there. That's where you keep it. It's MIG TIG and stick, Flux Core only MIG. There's no gas hookup. So, you know, we got our leads right here. We got current right here. Don't know what that is. We'll find that out soon. It might be the voltage, might be the wire feed speed. But we got some buttons right here. 120 volts only, no 220. This thing is so cute and compact. If this works well, this is gonna be my go-to because it weighs absolutely nothing. So if I need, you know, a quick fix, I'm just gonna grab this so I don't have to fool with a big machine. Because it's so cute, guys, look at it. All right, let's see what's in the box. Let's see what we got. Okay, TIG torch, looks similar to the other machines. You got a user's manual, don't need that. Wire brush, same dealio. Stinger lead, same, they're all the same. They put the same wires in all these boxes, but so we got a grounding clamp here with the DIN connector on it. And it looks like we got a spool. Yes, sir. 1 millimeter, which is equivalent to 0.035 inches. Oh no. Woo! How do I look? Sun looks pretty good. Guys, look at this. This thing is like 1 foot by half a foot. It's so compact. The chain broke off the trailer. We need to get this welded right back up on here. Little easy fix. And then we got a bunch of scrap right here. We can weld some stuff together, test some beads, lay some beads, you know, see how it's doing. Pop the hood. Attention, have to use self-shielded flux cord wire. Okay. It's obvious this little machine is designed for, you know, easy fixes and stuff, right? It's not designed for heavy duty welding. So anybody trying to say, oh, it's not gonna do it, it's not gonna do it, duh. It's not made for that. It's made for, you know, home repairs, DIY. That's what it's made for. They got other models that are made for the more heavier duty stuff. So you can see plenty long cord. We got our spool holder right here. We got our wire feed mechanism right here. It's all plastic. The other machine was metal. Let's get a spool on here. Boop. Them boys love those fans. We got the volts and the amps. Ignore the blinking, it's solid. The LEDs are solid, it's just the camera. It doesn't read out the volts. You got your amps right here, 16 to 130. Mode, I'm assuming this is the wire feed speed right here. It's probably tied to this and this. That's why it wants 0.8, 1.0, let's try that. Flux core. Not too bad. All right, let's see how it does. Here's the settings. I am impressed. That did great, guys. Let's crank it to the max. Maxed out. Pretty good. 130 on the dot. Pretty good. Stick. All right, pretty good. Let's crank it to the max. There's some beads. 112 amps, it's a little lower than it should be. Let's weld some thin metal. So I do not recommend it for the super thin metal. You can see, what is that, 32 gauge or something, 28 gauge, it's not gonna work. It's on the lowest settings possible, 16 amps. The voltage is all the way down, but it's just burning through it. So I don't recommend it for super thin metal. All right, so final thoughts. So this thing was obviously designed to be a Flux Core FCA MIG machine, right? It was designed to do flux core welding, and that's what it does best. Stick welding gets the job done. Thin metal, not good enough. But anywhere between 16th inch material to 1/8 inch material, this thing will be perfect for. So compared to other machines in that price range that'll do that thickness of material. If you want to weld super thin metal, not the machine. Super thick metal, not the machine. But anything that's just, you know, 16 gauge all day long, 11 gauge all day long, I don't have any problems with welding that stuff. I like the machine. The best thing it has going for it is its size. It's compact. I love that. It's super small. Grab it and get some quick fixes, no problem. It's got an okay MIG gun. It's permanently attached to the machine, so you can't just swap it out. There's that to consider. The TIG torch is the same as the other machines. The grounding leads are the same like the other machines. Upgrade the grounding clamp, easy. Stinger lead is the same as the other machines. You can upgrade it, right? Easy. It does stick weld, but you know, you're kind of limited with the amperage on that. Let's be honest, if you're buying this for FCA, you know, Flux Core MIG welding. That's what it excels at. That's obviously what it was made for. So, you know, that's what it's good at. We need to test the TIG function in another video. I got to get some more gas. We'll do that, and we'll test all these machines with the TIG function on them. So it's putting out its rated current with MIG. That's good. And it really impressed me with the MIG welds. The disadvantages, it only holds a 1 pound or 2 pound spool, but it's not that big a deal. So the wire speed and the current are tied together on MIG. So you can see the voltage only goes up to 10 volts. I don't know what the deal is with that. It seems to weld fine, but it needs more voltage control. And you can't run gas on it. Links in the description if y'all want to check out this welder. I'll check y'all on the next one. Later.